of course, I will ask Miss Yasmin to do so.
Thank you so much.
Miss, can you repeat the last part, please?
Repeat this one.
Yeah, please.
Okay. If the word is long, if the adjective, okay, we're talking about adjective because when you're comparing two things, we use the adjective. If the adjective is long, what do we mean by long? It means if it has two syllables. What do we mean by syllables? Syllables means, as I explained earlier, when you say the word comfortable, comfortable, it has three, comfortable. I'm sure you can hear me clapping. So then I add more, expensive, three, I'm clapping, expensive.
Okay.
You know, the syllable is usually better taught when you're in class and you're face to face, then you can see the face and then you can clap and you see how many times the teacher is clapping. So expensive.
طيب
we add the
sorry
more.
miss, like
Yeah.
مثلا vegetables. Vegetable.
Yeah, but you don't say, vegetable is not an adjective. Vegetable is a noun.
Things.
Yeah, it's a thing.
But okay.
Oh, I don't know who is this speaking.
خلاص, it's clear now. Thank you.
Yes. Welcome, my dear. So there was another one. Somebody was trying to say something, but the person was sounding like a zombie. I could not hear the voice. So can you repeat, please? Maybe there is a question. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay. So notice that there are a few things. Okay, if we go step by step, then we will understand this slide a bit better. Okay, notice that you cannot use er with longer words and you can't use more with short words, as we said. For example, comfortable, more comfortable, not comfortable. It doesn't even make sense. Okay, just a minute, ladies. Okay, so sorry, I keep saying ladies, ladies, because I'm teaching usually in a college and there are only ladies I'm teaching. So that's why I keep saying ladies. I forget there are gentlemen as well. Okay, so here, cheap, cheaper, I cannot say more cheap. That would be wrong. So this is one thing that you need to remember, as I explained it earlier. Then there are irregular comparatives, for example, good and better, bad and worse. How do I know that? I have to memorize that. I have to memorize these irregular adjectives, okay? Comparatives. Same like you have to memorize the irregular verbs, okay? We use then with the A to compare, okay? For example, London is bigger than Paris. James is taller than Ben, okay? So far until now, it's basically a revision. Any question? Okay. Superlative, yes?
I see no question.
Okay, good. Again, cheaper. Now we're talking about the superlative. When I have more than two things that I'm comparing, I have a group of things. Maybe I have so many flowers and I'm asking you, which flower do you like the best? And you say, this yellow flower is the most beautiful. But if you have only two flowers, blue and green, then I ask you, which flower do you like best? Then you will say, I think the blue flower is more beautiful than the red flower, for example. Okay.
Can I say more beauty?
More beauty? No, because beauty is not an adjective. Beauty is a noun. Okay, so it's only for adjectives. Okay, good. So basically that's it on this slide. So I've explained the most important points again a couple of times now. Let us move on to some exercise. 5 minutes left. Maybe we can do this. Now complete these sentences using the correct adjective from the box. On the top you have some adjectives. Okay, now let's do this exercise. Now, can I have Noura, please?
Yes, miss.
Mhm.
Number
Yes.
one,
Uh-huh.
Lisa, then Jessina, Lisa, tall,
Mhm. But
then
how? Okay, then use the comparative.
yes, taller
Mhm.
than
It's
Jessina.
oh, that's all the answers are there. Okay, Lisa, I will not show the answers. I'll just say right or wrong. Okay, Lisa is taller than Justine. Very good. Can you do the next one?
A sofa, then a wooden chair, a sofa,
Okay, use this one. Heavy.
heavy,
Mhm.
heavier
Yes,
than wooden chair.
very good. Thank you. Yasir, please.
Gold is more expensive than silver.
Excellent. Number 4.
This suitcase feels
Use this word, comfortable.
more comfortable than that one.
Very good. Excellent, Yasir.
Teacher, what is a sweetie case?
Suitcase.
Suitcase.
Suitcase. A suitcase is when you travel somewhere, then you have a big box and you put everything inside this box. This is a suitcase,
Ah.
like a luggage. Luggage. That's a luggage.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. Sultana.
Number 6.
Number 5, I think. Yeah, 5.
My car's faster than yours.
Use the word valuable.
Valuable. My car's more valuable than yours.
Very good. Number 6.
This film's much than the one last night. This
This
film's
is-
much interesting than the one last night.
Yes, this film's much more interesting than the one last night. Okay, good. Okay, who did I not call today? Please tell me.
Me,
Muaz.
miss.
I did not call Muaz. And then who was me?
Okay.
Haneen.
Yeah, look.
Haneen. Okay, after Muaz, Haneen. Okay, okay, Muaz.
Australia's bigger than New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Okay, good. Number 8.
Trip from the UK to New Zealand
Use this word.
faster than one to France. One
Very
to
good.
France.
Went to France. France.
France.
Okay, good. Good. Yes. So who was the lady? Haneen, right?
Yes.
Yes, Haneen. Hmm.
Wolves are
Intelligent.
more intelligent than hamster.
Very good. Number 10.
Swords are heavier than hammer. Sharper.
Sharper.
Sharper than hammers.
Go change
And
with Daisy.
hammers.
لا تقولي I don't want to sleep. I will give you 10 minutes. Just go change with Numay.
Okay. So please mute your mics. Okay, good. So these are the answers, okay? Okay, I think the next exercise we will do tomorrow, okay? So I'm just showing it to you. If you want, you can do this, prepare this at home, okay? And yes, that's it. Yes, please.
What is mean cheaper?
Cheaper. It's the opposite of expensive.
Ah,